So, today we are going to try to go from a dog to a mythical. Do I have a dog? Does not look like I do, so wait, let me just go and so here's where the dog is. Don't want to fill up my inventory. Yep, I got a dog first try. Let's go. I actually did. So we're going to be doing dog to mythical. I'm pretty sure this is pretty original. I haven't seen anybody do this, but people have probably done this challenge, just I don't know. Tell me in comments, please. So let's see what I can get for a dog. Let me just keep on trading some people. Do I have to wait? Yeah, 2 more seconds. One. Okay. Go. Willow. Willow, what will you give me for this beautiful dog? This beautiful dog. What will you give me for? Okay, trade again. You, I have a good feeling about. You, I also do. You, I do. And you, I do. Dog. Any pets? No. Any pets you can give me for a dog. I just need someone to trade. Got a pet for a dog. I may have to go to the trading server for this. I may buy this soon for you guys. I may buy this soon on a video. So, and I'm gonna be like spending a ridiculous amount on just keep buying them. Maybe though, maybe. I don't know yet. Because, yeah, I don't know yet. But, okay, come on. Anyone got a dog? Anyone got anything for a dog? Anyone? No, nobody has anything here. So I'm just gonna go to the trading server. So, is this challenge original? Because I'm pretty sure it's not. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not at the same time. Because, just tell me if anybody's ever done this or you know about anything. Okay, so people look pretty rich here. So I'm trying to, and you can just trade the dog and the stuff that you get for the dog. No other pets can be allowed traded for this dog. Like, it's only this dog and the stuff that you get for it. Gems would be nice, but probably no one's gonna give me any gems. Trading a dog. Trading a dog. Anyone? A challenge. For a challenge. Challenge. There we go. Oh, people are actually. First person of these guys who turned me. Okay, I'm actually getting a trade. I'm actually getting trade for this dog. I should just say a dog. 100 gems. Oh. Okay. Okay, I can get some stuff for this. Oh, she just says bye. Okay, where is it? Here this thing is. For a dog, I got this thing. This beautiful thing, it's rare. Wait, how much? It's in the billions. I mean, not that good anymore. Trading this for for anything better. Trading this for anything better. We're just gonna say that. Trading this for anything better. I don't have a specific thing. Just hopefully a mythical or a legendary would be nice for this beautiful cat. I mean, it's a rainbow. Everybody loves rainbow cats in spacesuits. Oh no, we're getting in trouble with this guy. Oh no. I think we're about to get a lecture to this guy. He's just me again. He will. I think we're gonna get in trouble by this guy. Yeah. I don't know what this